Hi friends and family, and welcome back to another unbagging. In this case, today we're going to do live glam for March. I know I said I was done unmarching things, but if you follow me, you know that I always get this at the very beginning of the following month. And in my last video I said I already knew that we were going to be testing out Marches in April. But I'm super excited because I love the colors and the theme of this March subscription. I even wore this colored shirt so that way it could go with the theme. Now, Live Glam is a Lippie monthly subscription for $19.99 a month. I think I got a dog hair on my nose. I'm sorry. Alrighty. Yeah. Whew. Anyway, Live Glam is a monthly subscription for $19.99 a month. You get 3 to 4 full-sized lippies, or sometimes a lip liner, a lip bullet, or whatever their variation may consist of. So let's go ahead and we'll put it on thy lips. Also, I just want to let you know, today is my Sunday fun day. I am filming this on Easter because my family and we celebrated it on Saturday, so I am free to be on my Sunday fun day. And I'm wearing this no makeup look. Did I say that? I might have said that. Anyway, let's go ahead and open up thy bag and put it on the lips. So again, as you know, you always get the little card. And this one is Fiji inspired. If you look at the colors here, well, and then on the back, they give you what all of the variations are, and you know, just a little detail. And like I said, that's kind of why I wore this shirt. It's been sitting in my closet. I've actually never worn it. It's a Guess t-shirt, and it's too sparkly and all of that didgeridoo, so I thought this was a good time to go ahead and put it on. Also, I'm sorry for the messy hair. Like I said, I'm binge watching today, like, you know. Anyway, so this is Get Your Beach On, and it's perfect because, as you guys know, I'm getting ready to go on vacation with my babe to Miami. I know, not too exciting. We were gonna go to the Bahamas, but the whole thing about it was you have to have a COVID test to get in and a COVID test to get out, and the time frame of getting the results was just ridiculous. Plus, you have to apply for a health visa, which means that the Bahamas have to approve your test results, and we could not get any of that stuff done within the time period or time frame they were giving us, so we settled on Miami, which, I mean, really isn't horrible, right? Okay, so anyway, beach inspired. I am all about it and I'm loving it. So here we go. After all that chitty chit chat for 3.5 minutes, let's go ahead and really do the dang thing. And guess what? It matches my shirt. That I had no idea, but I'm not surprised. So you do always get this cute little silk bag. Obviously you could reuse it for whatever you have in mind in your purse, blase blase. It's nice because you can put your lippies in your purse with this, and then it won't get all over the inside of your purse. So I always like that. So now here is thy collection. Let me get them all lined up and in a row. Let me get my lippies in a row instead of my ducks. So I love the color of this theme. I love all of it, like without even testing. So we have, let me see, where's my little card? Oh, I threw it. I just was like, psh, psh. Okay, we have Island Thing, Bungalow Babe, and Mint to Be. So let's go ahead and, which one do you guys want to start with? Okay, we will start from this one, the brownish nude color. This one is the Island Things, and it says, due for an island getaway, this lippy screams vacay mode with its beachy nude matte shade. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Like I said, I'm all about it. Oh yes, these might just be what I'm taking on my vacation. So let me put this down. Okay, here is that color. Ooh, it's so gorgeous. And if you haven't watched the previous videos, here is the doe foot applicator. And also, let me grab my mirror. All right, so I always do the swatch. You know, it's never perfect, and I don't give a lippy about it, okay? So, ooh. Again, they always taste like or smell like vanilla frosting, and I really love that. Also, most of them are matte and they dry really nicely. They do not dry your lips out, and they do last fairly well through the day, through meals, and all of those things, because they're not so dehydrating. You will have to do some like very slight touch up, but nothing terrible, or you know, like they will last. So, ooh. I always do my fake little pose. So very pretty, even with the no makeup look. So I like that. Yeah. All right. So then let me wipe that off. Let me wipe it off. Okay, and then we will do the next color. I think the Mint to Be is a scrub, but we'll figure that out as we go because I really don't know. All right, next we have the Bungalow Babe, which is this more of a pink tone. Come on, camera. You don't like me right now or what? There we go. All right, so this one says, Bungalow Babe, the Fijian waters got nothing on this crystal clear coral pink lippy. Its glossy formula will have you shining bright as the sun. Ooh, let's see what that looks like on thy lips. Oh yeah, very pretty. Oh, this will go good on top if you do want that. Well, it'll go good on any lip color as a topper. But it does look very nice. Look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. And yeah, it'll leave your lips hydrating and juicy, I'm sure. Very nice. Oh yeah, and let me show you again. Most of their applicators do look the same. I haven't really had one that was any different, but still, just so you have an idea. And there's that juicy gloss, like I just ate some chicken. I do like it. Feels hydrating on the lips. Again, I think that if you wanted to shine this color up, you could definitely top that with any of your colors, or whatever you wanted to do with your life and your lips. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do the last color. Let's wipe this bad boy off and see what Mint to Be is this little guy here, and it says Mint to Be Fiji Essentials. The sun, check. The sea, check. The sand, check. Your tan may fade, but your lips will be forever gleaming. All right, so here's what this looks like, and it is a scrub. So here, this is going to be the first time I've tried their scrub, and it does have this little twist, so let's go ahead and twist up, see how much product is in there. Oh yeah, I'd say a decent good amount there. And let's see what that looks like on thy skin. So yeah, of course, like no color, but you can tell or see that there is a scrub here. And let's go ahead and, oh yeah, definitely got that normal lip scrub. So let me put it on the lips and see. It definitely, oh yeah, has the mint. It's a little rough. But it is, I mean, it's a scrub, so it didn't say like how long to leave it on or to rub it in or anything, but we're just gonna do what we normally do for lip scrubs and just kind of scrub that. And then I am going to wipe that off. I am using a makeup wipe. You should probably use, like, you know, a makeup towel probably, but I wasn't prepared for that in my life, so here we are, using a makeup wipe. And yeah, that was pretty, like, it was good. Like, I liked the scent and the mintiness of it. Okay. So, yeah, still got sugar lips. Hey there, sugar lips. Okay. Don't pay attention to my pimple or my mustache. What do we think about the lips? Yeah. So, yeah, again, let's go ahead and do the recap. Yeah, you know what? They do feel softer for sure. But now it makes me want to like peel the stuff off and, you know. Anyway, we got the mint scrub. We've got this beautiful purple. Why did I say purple? Jeez, pink and nude. And both are kind of a nudie color. So we got the lip scrub, we got the lip gloss, and we got the lip color. And again, here are those shades. You obviously can't really see the scrub, but you could maybe see the sugar crystals. So anyway, yeah, let me know what you guys thought. And sorry I'm doing an up close with messy hair and hardly any makeup on. It might be scary, it might be unnatural, but thank you for joining, my friends and family. And remember to follow me on Instagram. And I will see you in our next video. So bye!